From life-saving safety tricks to everyday convenience hacks, this video unveils 7 secret car features that almost no one uses. Curious about what you're missing out on? The answer is closer than you think. Make sure to watch till the end, because feature number 7 could save you from breathing polluted air every single day without you even realizing it. Let's get started. Number 1, hidden keyhole and key fob. Picture this. You're stuck outside your car, key fob in hand, and the battery has died. Panic sets in. How are you supposed to unlock the door? What most people don't realize is that your key fob actually holds a traditional key tucked away in a hidden compartment. It's a feature designed specifically for situations like this, yet it often goes unnoticed. In most key fobs, you'll find a small release button or sliding lever on the side or back of the fob. Pushing or sliding it will allow you to pull out a physical key. And here's the part that surprises many drivers. The keyhole doesn't always look traditional either. It's often discreetly placed under a small cover on the car's door handle or hidden behind the main key slot cover. This simple backup design can save you significant stress in emergencies, letting you access your car without waiting for assistance. Number 2, emergency shift button. Your transmission is stuck in park and your car won't start or move. Maybe the battery is dead or there's an electrical issue, but you need to get your car out of the way or onto a tow truck. This is where the emergency shift release becomes a lifesaver. Most automatic transmission vehicles have a hidden emergency shift override that allows you to manually shift out of park when the normal electronic systems fail. This feature is often overlooked because it's typically hidden from view and rarely mentioned in basic car operation. The emergency shift release is usually located near the gear shifter, often covered by a small plastic cap or panel. In many vehicles, you'll find it as a small slot or button near the base of the shifter console. To use it, you typically need to remove the cover, insert a key or small tool like a screwdriver, and press down while shifting the gear selector. Some vehicles have the release button accessible without removing covers, but it's positioned in a way that prevents accidental activation. The exact location varies by make and model, but it's almost always within reach of the driver's seat. This simple backup system can save you from being completely stranded when electrical systems fail, allowing you to move your vehicle to safety or prepare it for towing. Number 3, fuel tank arrow indicator. You pull up to the gas pump, step out, and realize you don't know which side the fuel cap is on. Now you're craning your neck out the window or hunting for some clue. Here's the thing, your dashboard already holds the answer, and it's been right in front of you the whole time. That tiny arrow next to the fuel gauge, it's not just decoration, it's your guide. Look closely at the fuel indicator on your dashboard. Beside the little gas pump icon, there's almost always an arrow pointing left or right. This shows which side of the car your fuel cap is located. It's that simple. Number 4, automatic window roll down via key fob. It's a scorching summer day and you're about to step into your car, which feels more like an oven. But what if you could release all that trapped heat before opening the door? Most drivers don't realize their key fob has a hidden trick. It can roll down all your windows with just a simple button combination. The steps vary by automaker, but follow a similar pattern. For many cars, holding the unlock button on your key fob for a few seconds is all it takes to roll the windows down simultaneously. Some brands require you to press the unlock button twice and hold it on the second press. In more advanced systems, you may need to enable this feature in the settings menu beforehand. Number 5, brake hold function. Stop and go traffic can be exhausting, especially when you're constantly switching between the brake and gas pedals. Your right foot starts to cramp, and you're tired of holding the brake at every red light or in heavy traffic jams. Many modern vehicles come equipped with a brake hold function that most drivers never discover or use. This feature automatically maintains braking pressure when you come to a complete stop, allowing you to take your foot off the brake pedal without the car rolling. To activate brake hold, look for a button on your center console, dashboard, or near the electronic parking brake. The button is typically marked with a symbol that looks like a circle with an H inside it, or it may simply say hold or brake hold. Once activated, the system works automatically. When you come to a complete stop and press the brake pedal firmly, The brake hold engages and maintains the braking pressure even after you lift your foot off the pedal. The car stays stationary until you press the accelerator to move forward, at which point the system automatically releases. This feature is particularly useful in heavy traffic, at drive-thrus, or when stopped on inclines where you might otherwise worry about rolling backward. It reduces fatigue during long drives and provides an extra layer of convenience and safety in stop-and-go situations. Number 6. Windshield wiper service position. Cleaning or replacing your windshield wipers can feel like a balancing act when they don't lift far enough away from the glass. But what if your car has a little-known feature to make this task easier? Many vehicles come equipped with a wiper service position, but it's rarely mentioned in the manual. Activating this mode typically involves a specific combination of steps depending on your car model. A common method is turning the ignition on, then off, and immediately tapping the wiper control. When done correctly, the wipers move to a higher resting position on the windshield, making them much easier to access. This ensures you can clean the glass without obstruction or replace the blades without risking accidental damage. Number 7. Air circulation button. Fresh versus recirculated air. That button on your dashboard with the car symbol and curved arrow? Most drivers either ignore it completely or press it randomly without understanding what it actually does. This is the air circulation control, and using it correctly can dramatically improve your driving experience and even your health. The air circulation system has two modes: fresh air mode and recirculated air mode. In fresh air mode, the system pulls air from outside the vehicle through the cabin filter and into your car. In recirculated mode, it closes off outside air and circulates the air that's already inside your cabin. Here's when each mode becomes crucial. Use recirculated air when driving through tunnels, behind diesel trucks, in heavy traffic, or through areas with poor air quality like construction zones or industrial areas. This prevents exhaust fumes, dust, and pollutants from entering your cabin, protecting you from breathing contaminated air. Use fresh air mode during normal highway driving or when you need to prevent fogging on your windows. Fresh air helps maintain oxygen levels and prevents the cabin air from becoming stale, especially on longer trips. Many drivers unknowingly leave their system in recirculated mode all the time, which can lead to stuffy cabin air, increased window fogging, and higher carbon dioxide levels inside the vehicle. Others never use recirculated mode and constantly breathe in polluted outside air, especially in urban environments. Understanding when to switch between these modes can improve air quality inside your vehicle, reduce fatigue from breathing poor air, and help your air conditioning system work more efficiently. It's incredible how much potential your car holds, isn't it? Hidden features like these aren't just conveniences. They enhance your safety, comfort, and overall driving experience in ways most people overlook.